je suis dans le texte.
So I got this lovely package from Pretty Vibes. I'll leave all our details on the screen, so please follow her and shop from her store. I got this lovely Boss air clip, and she also gave me a free lip scrub, which is super cute, and it smells like cola, which is amazing. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, and enjoy the rest of the video. The next package I got is from Pop of Africa, POA, as you can see from their business card. I'll leave all their details on the screen as well. So I got this lovely black t-shirt, and they gave me one extra t-shirt, which is so amazing. And as you can see, I love the t-shirt so much. I'll be posting pictures on Instagram, so please follow me on Instagram at Esther_Olaoye. So cute. Like, this is the extra t-shirt I got, and the one that I originally ordered is the black one that I would show in just a second. I've tried both of them on and they look so cute. And yeah, this is the one that I originally ordered from the website, which is so simple, and the quality of the actual t-shirt material is so good. Like, it's really thick. I didn't expect it to be thick. It's not one of those ones that you just wash once and it's start discombobulating. And I got a little card. It's just so cute. So guys, I'm done like sorting out the orders now, and thank you to Goldie. She ordered a lot of stuff, as you can see. And by the way, that's not how it's gonna be. That's not how it's gonna be packaged. It's packaged real nice. So I've sorted everything out now, and if you don't know, I released a new lots of new products. I've got the hair and body butter. I have a smaller version. I've got eyelash and eyebrow growth oil. I've got new gloss colors. I've got a lot of new stuff. So you should follow my Instagram. Not my Instagram. Follow my business Instagram at S Cosmetics if you want to, if you don't want to miss out on the launches and stuff. And the bundles that I've got, they're super cute. Look at that. Just follow our Instagram, follow my business Instagram, so you get updates and stuff like that. The lighting's a bit awkward because it's dark outside. But anyways, I just need to pack this up now, and I'm shipping it out tomorrow. So yeah, let's get started.